What you want, baby, I got you. What you need, do you know I got it? All I'm asking is just a little respect when you come home. Hey, yeah. Hi guys, I am Peil, and I'm here to talk to you about my YouTube channel. I am a new beauty vlogger, and I review skincare and beauty products, and I am working on tutorials to show you guys. And I know there's a million other beauty vloggers out there, but that doesn't mean I don't get to try to. So here I am, and I'm going to be bringing beauty and fun to you, and hopefully at a somewhat entertaining way, not just like everybody else. I'm also going to show you ways to save money on makeup, acne tips and tricks, and I am an oily skin girl on a journey to defeat oil. So if you're interested in finding makeup that is good for oily skin, follow me, because I got oily skin and I'm a work in progress. I also am a lover of fitness and purpose, and I have actually more YouTube channels, but that's beside the point. I'm kind of weird, so I'm goofy in my videos, probably somewhat. I don't know. There's a lot of interesting people out there. I'm going to try to show you all the things that I know and figure out which audience likes this most. If it's high school, I'll work on getting you guys good stuff for school, getting you stuff for prom, your homecoming dance, the football games, all the good stuff. If it's people that are maybe beyond that and you're going to college and you want to do your makeup in 8 minutes because you're late to class because you're tired, you're staying up late all night studying, hopefully it's studying. Just kidding. Kind of. Maybe you're at college and you have a performance. You're a music major, like I was, and you gotta look dang good for that performance. So you wanna know how to do your makeup. Or maybe you're going on a date and you wanna look pretty good, but you don't wanna look like you're working it too hard. So I help you on that too. Maybe you need to save money and you wanna hear me tell you how I save money on makeup, because I'm gonna do it. Maybe you got acne. I'm gonna tell you how I got through acne. I'm gonna do everything I can to make this a good channel for you guys. And it's going to take me time. I'm a newbie. I only have like 22 videos done right now, but I'm getting better every time and I'm not quitting. So I'm going to be here to tell you more and more. And I'm thinking about doing vlogs, maybe take you in the car with me when I go places, show you where I work, show you my life. I get you to meet my husband, who's going to do my makeup at some point, meet my puppy, life in Little Wyoming. After October, I'm going to be posting all the time. And I'm going to be pouring into this channel and into my KCJ Music channel and into my Wyoming Girl with a Purpose channel with messages of inspiration and motivation and letting you know your worth and why you're an awesome person, no matter what people say. I also have a store, and so you can go find my store at www.hummingbirdboutique.net. There I have some eyeshadow palettes, I have some makeup, I have beauty guru themed products, so bags with lipstick on them, or fun makeup sayings. I have fitness clothes. I also have like an inspirational section for like inspirational clothing. Also on there, I have a great opportunity where you can sponsor a bag for the homeless, and that's where I pack a bag of certain things and I bring it to the homeless. If you sponsor the bag, I will pack it for you. If you want to pack the bag and send it to me, I will deliver it for you. Once I have 50 bags, I will take them to Colorado Springs and give them to the homeless on the street. It won't be any profit for me at all. It's just there's $3 added to pay my gas so I can make it there and give them. I just want to make a difference, and I want to help people, and I want people to know that they're loved even when they don't feel loved. That is my goal, to reach out and make a difference. That's about it. Well, I hope this was somewhat informative of my channel. Alright, I love you guys. Have an awesome day. Bye guys.